Good day and good morning. My name is Mix Consenko and right now, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Philinvest 2, Spring Country, Quezon City. So, may 5 housing na bagong bukas, which is under kay Philinvest. So what's good about this housing is, this is under the flexible terms. And bonus na lang po is may promo po tayo or ongoing promo that's happening right now. So abangan nyo po in the end of the video kung ano po mga promos that you guys can take advantage of it. So, let's take a tour. First on the list, it's a Block 12, Lot 9 property. This is an overlooking housing property. So, ito po ang magiging view niya. Ayan, overlooking po tayo ng view dito. At ang katapat po natin sa under construction. Ayan, may bahay na rin na bago po dito. So, one thing is good about this property is pwede nyo po paggawan ng extension up to 9 meters height. From 9 meters height, makakita nyo na po, ma-appreciate nyo na po ang view of this mountain. Alright? On to the next property. Next, a Block 8, Lot 24, house and lot property with a lot area of 108 square meters and 50 square meters of the floor area. You'll get a 1-car parking garage and a 2-bedroom complete with living and dining space. Next naman, our third property is Block 4, Lot 3. Maliwalas naman po dito. Ayan, ito po ang property. Gated na rin po ito. At pag may mga questions, bakit po magulo? Ang turnover po ba ay gagawin po ba ng i-restore po ba nila? I-reconstruct po nila? Yes! Free construction po upon turnover. So ito po. Ayan, ito naman ang view sa tapat. So walking distance lang naman din po dito pagdating naman po sa next housing. So ito naman po ang next housing. Ito po. Parang forest type naman or nature vibe naman po dito sa paligid. At ito naman po ang daan. Ayan, let's go to the next housing project. Bali, may marami nagtatanong po sa akin kung mabaha ba dito sa area. At ang sagot, hindi po mabaha dito. Flood-free po ang area dito sa Spring Country. Ayan, ito po. Ito po ang creek. Marami po ay kinakabahan po dahil dito sa creek. Pero ang masasabi ko po, lahat po mga bagyo na pagdaanan na po nito kahit po ng bagyong Ondoy. So, ito naman po kasi, ang creek ay dire-diretso po siya pababa, papuntang Marikina River. So, ang masasabi ko po dito, safe po dito, flood-free ang area. So, check po natin ang mga other properties. At ang pinaka-last naman po sa properties, the Block 3, Lot 6, located sa Rose Street. Ito po ang property. At ito naman po ang magiging view po niya. Maliwalas ang area. Pwede din po ito maging overlooking. So again po, same lang din po as the other property. Ang floor area po nito ay nasa 33 square meters. It's a 2-bedroom. At right now, nandito po tayo ngayon sa amenities ng Spring Country. So ito po, sa harapan ko ang clubhouse. So dito naman po sa amenities, meron po tayong swimming pool, covered basketball court, and children's playground. But right now, pinapaganda po dito ang community ng Spring Country ang basketball court. Ito po ang basketball court. I can show you the itsura niya before at ang swimming pool area ay located po doon. Ayan. So here is the swimming pool area located. At ang pinakahihintay na po natin lahat, ang promo. So for cash, meron po tayong 25% discount from the total listing price. At kung gusto niyo naman po deferred payment, up to 24 months naman po ang pwede dito with a 15% discount. At kung gusto niyo pang medyo flexible pa at gawin natin pang bank finance, we will spot another 10% and another 10% naman po payable in 21 months and the remaining 80% naman po through bank financing. Ito naman po pwede natin maka-avail dito for the discount of 20%. Lastly, kung gusto niyo naman po with the terms of 10% only, which spread into 18 months, it is possible naman po. So, for 10% down payment payable in 18 months, within 90% bank finance, we have a discount of 5%. So, if you want to know more or to inquire or to schedule a viewing, just message me. I'll be gladly to help. My name is Mingsun Senko and I'm gonna bounce. Skadoosh!